This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Diane Sapp. Beautifully updated 3 halves in Barefoot Bay. Open spacious split floor plan west/vaulted ceilings. Gorgeous updated kitchen with granite and stainless steel appliances. Newer front load washer/dryer. Vinyl flooring throughout, no carpet. Freshly painted.Enclosed lanai, making it much more than 1,400 square feet under air. Fenced backyard and attached storage shed. Barefoot Bay is an exclusive community for all ages, offering a clubhouse, pool, golf course, a private dock on the river down the street. Probate listing in the final stages. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Sapp at 321-308-3242.